The beauty of the beauty of
Do you have a TradingView account? You
Yes.
did.
Yes.
You opened it in the past.
Yes.
And why did you open it?
I was curious about trading, and I wanted to trade.
So what happened?
What happened?
What happened? You got into trading,
Oh,
and
yeah.
what did you do? Maybe it's a good lesson for whoever is watching.
Oh, yes.
If you want to talk about it. If you don't want to talk about it,
Oh, what a scam.
you
Oh, of course. Yes. I got scammed, of course.
scam.
I saw many YouTubers speaking about how easy money you can make on trading, and I'm like, oh, okay, you can actually make money even though you don't have the basic knowledge of the trading. Like, that sounds like a good deal, and it's too good to be true. Too good to be true.
But
And,
the whole thing was that he was gonna trade for you. You gave them the money.
Yes, because this is the broker, so
It was supposed to be a broker.
yes.
Okay.
Oh, I think so. I gave him around 600 euros. The beauty of the beauty of
Sorry.
let me know when you're done.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. So the beautiful thing is the broker was so appealing.
But what was appealing about the whole idea that it was quick, fast, easy, and you didn't have to learn to trade and you would make money?
When you're a beginner, you believe everything.
I think it was more when you're desperate for a quick solution. I was also desperate for quick solutions in the past, and that's how I learned to not be desperate for a quick solution. Alex Hormozy said, "The long way is the shortcut because the shortcut will never get you there." How did you realize it was a scam?
The platform wasn't legit. It wasn't legit at all.
Yeah.
It will look like a scam, but I didn't know as a beginner. I'm like, okay, that's maybe might look true.
You don't know any better. You don't know how a trading platform looks like.
I had no clue. I had no clue.
Wow.
And at some point, I'm like, let me check it out to see how's the trade. And I remember how much I made.
The profit you
The
were
profit,
making. Yeah.
it was 10K. I'm like, I hit the jackpot. I'm like, how goddamn is possible in less than half an hour to make 10K?
Then I think I stepped in.
Yes.
At that moment,
yes.
you asked me,
Yeah.
and then I saw that, and I'm like,
I didn't receive any money.
yeah, the money.
Never.
The money never came,
arrived,
obviously.
never
The money never came. So look at you, you're here back at trading. A full circle. And you only got scammed one time, or it was multiple times?
2 times.
Two times.
2 times, yes.
What is the biggest lesson for you?
That knowledge is power. And understand that quick money doesn't exist.
Alright. So now you're gonna learn to trade for real. I promise you, TradingView is legit.